Hey guys, I'm from Boy Power 24. Today I'm going to show you how to take off this white part.
And to fix a slow fidget spinner.
And to fix a slow fidget spinner. If it goes not that long, I'm going to show you how to do it. And what you need is a paper towel, a knife, and shade oil. You need your parents' permission. Okay? So first you need a butter knife and just put it in here.
Turn it.
And then you do the other part. I almost cut myself. And this is what it would look like. Okay? And then all you do
Do you want help? Okay. And then rub it in.
and rub it in. Super slippery.
This is for your hands.
Oh yeah. Put it in here. Together. Okay. Now you just put it like this. It might be a little oily. And if it doesn't work, and to put it back in, you could see these dots. There's 6 dots. So you need to put it in that way. Yikes. Is it oily? It's still slippery.